How to reverse a video in Youcut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily reverse a video on Youcut. So if you have been using Youcut as your go-to video editing application, you may want to know this feature because it's super cool and super easy. So simply click on plus icon over here and just start a new project and just select any of your random videos from which you want to add a reverse into. And once you select your random video, let me just trim it down because it's too long. So let me just delete this part. Now to add a reverse in this video, what you need to do is simply click on the video section, clip just like this. Once you select the clip like this, you have to scroll sideways until you find this option called reverse. So simply click on reverse and it will automatically reverse your video after some time. So once it gets reversed, you can preview your video just like that, and you can see the video has been successfully reversed just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.